Hi guys, James from MeasureSquare here. Welcome to part 7 of our Product and Services Database tutorial in the Getting Started series with MeasureSquare 8. In this video, we will cover product type customization. In MeasureSquare 8, it is possible to customize your product types by going into your Product and Services database, right-clicking, and saying New Product. When presented with the New Product pop-up, simply click on the gear, and this will allow you to adjust the order of our list, such as taking our wall base and moving it up or down our list to the desired location. We can also select a product type such as wallpaper and say remove to streamline our list to only the essentials of what we're looking for in our product type list. If we'd like to add a new item, we can click on Add New, and then we can say name a product type such as heat weld. We can then choose the base type, for example, linear, and then we can click OK. In this way, we now have our heat weld added in to our product type list. We also have the ability to reset our list to the original specifications. If we want to rename it, we can say left click on Count, click on Rename, and then change the type to say Each. Click OK. Once we're done modifying our product types, we'll click OK. This concludes the Product and Services Database Setup portion of our Getting Started series. In our next section of the Getting Started series, we will cover Step 1 in the MeasureSquare workflow, Job Info Preparation.